We welcome you all here today for the celebration of Teachers' Day and also to celebrate the birth anniversary of a distinguished scholar and teacher, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Guru
quite a long time. But on and all, it was a very good organization. And drawing is very good. And like overall, the arrangement is very good. So thank you for organizing this. I don't have much to say. Apart from that be focused on your work, and especially there are difference between a theory and like what actually happens, right? So you have to plan your work accordingly.
Thank you. Now to begin with our cultural performance, I would like to call upon Amirioka, Wanda and Lema to entertain our faculties and our friends.
And a very happy Teachers' Day to all our dear teachers. This song talks about the friendship between teachers and students. Anytime you're free, we'll come running to you. Anytime you're free, you come running to us. We'll help each other. You just call on my name, and you know wherever I am, I'll come running to see you again. Winter, spring,
बचपन तो गया, जवानी भी गई, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो।
My aim was always to be a teacher or a lecturer. And that is true. Actually, I enjoy my profession. I'm quite lucky because I always dreamt, because I was from JNV. JNV, no, there was Navodaya Vidyalaya. So there we used to have our warden, like you would say warden. That time I don't remember what we say. So we used to be given a task. What is the aim of your life? I have to write down and paste near our bed. Bed means stackable beds, no, like that we had. So I don't know whether it will be still there or not, but I have written there my aim of life is to be a lecturer or teacher, something like that. So that way I really enjoy my profession and I am proud of my profession, of course. Because
मौसम नदी का किनारा, ये चंचल हवा की रातें, ये मौसम नदी का किनारा, ये चंचल हवा कहाँ डोली कि मिलकर कभी न होंगे जुदा, ये रातें, ये मौसम नदी का किनारा, ये चंचल हवा। चंचल हवा सितारों की महफिल में करके इशारा सितारों की महफिल में करके इशारा कहा अब तो सारा जहां है तुम्हारा मोहब्बत जवां हो खुला आसमां हो करे कोई दिलदार और क्या ये रातें ये मौसम नदी का किनारा ये चंचल हवा कसम है तुम्हें तुम अगर मुझसे रूठे कसम है तुम्हें तुम अगर मुझसे रूठे रहे सांस जब तक ये बंधन न टूटे तुम्हें दिल दिया है ये वादा किया है सनम में तुम्हारी रहूंगी सदा ये रातें ये मौसम नदी का किनारा ये चंचल हवा कहा दो दिलों ने कि मिलकर कभी हम न होंगे जुदा ये रातें ये मौसम नदी का किनारा ये चंचल हवा
Is there something that you want to change in the education system?
तो पढ़ा लिखे छोटू तो कभी giving idea anything
It should not be like textbook oriented only. It should be more related to the practical experiments and based on experiences of the teacher. You can learn from them. Okay, so it should be more interactive kind of thing. Okay.
Tell us about your feelings when you got your first job as assistant professor. Okay. So basically, like before here, I was working in another institute at Jaipur, and it was a very good feeling. And in fact, I worked there for around 1.5 years, and I enjoyed that time. I learned a lot. During the starting phase, I used to be very strict, very strict. But then I understood that though I want my things to be conveyed to everyone, all the students, but the students should also be receptive of that. So I understood that in my first semester. Then I relaxed my criteria and down the line, but I enjoyed teaching there because the student was very responsive in the class. I like interactive classes a lot, and if a teacher is not prepared for the class, the student will throw the concepts and questions from all the sides. So I enjoyed that thing. All in all, that was a good time. I really enjoyed that time there. Thank you.
We all have pain, we all have sorrow, but if we are wise, we know that there's always tomorrow.
बदला ये मौसम लगे प्यारा सक सारा छू कर मेरे मन को तूने क्या इशारा
Our first time, Anjali ma'am and Richard, everyone, they have given us how to conduct the Teachers Day, how to make it special for our teachers. So also thank you for our teachers and our staff. So once again, let's all give a huge round of applause.